So before I start off with the video, I just want to vent and rage a little bit because I just recorded this shit and I explained everything in nice detail and so professional. And then the mic was muted, right? I did all that shit for nothing. So fuck me and fuck my dumb brain. And hi, welcome to my channel. I'm your host, Dumb Fuck, where I talk about, you know, earning crypto for free, places where you can do it. Today, I'm talking about alien worlds, right? Now, a lot has changed in alien worlds, and I thought I'll be making videos every week instead of every day, but shit just keeps going crazy every day. So, before we get into anything, I can mine in 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I'll start off right here. So, what I'm mining with are the 3 standard drills. I'll get into that a little bit later. And on the sandy coastline. This seems to be the best method so far to mine for NFTs, apparently. I'm not sure why. I don't know how the RNG works. I don't know how the whole thing works, but although the NFT luck on the drills is like 0.7 or 0.8, that's the best one. Yeah, I'm not a robot. I know what bridges are, man. Come on. Alright, so here's the first debug and how you can go around it. So a lot of times, and a lot of people have this, is it shows you that you received 0.39 TLM, right? But a lot of times when you refresh the page, it shows way less. So that is because for some reason the interface shows a different amount than you actually got. And if you want to see what you actually got, you have to go to wax.blocks.io in your account, and then it's going to show up here. So let me just refresh it. And it says that I got, well, it's correct this time. Right, because sometimes it says there that you got like 1 TLM and you actually got like 0.4. So this is where you check. And this is also where you check if you got any NFTs. Because if you got an NFT while mining, instead of these two, it will be 3. So it will be the M Federation mine, the received token, and this above everything, log mint. And if you get this, it means you mined an NFT. And if you want to see what NFT you mined, you can either reload the page and log in again, or you go to Vax Atomic Hub, you're logged into your account, you go into your inventory, and the last one that appeared is the one you mined. Now, what's going on here? So, for all the people that saw my first 2 videos, which is none of you, what I started out with, when you start the basic game, you get these 2, right? You get the profile and you get the shitty shovel, so you can start mining for free, which is great. But I wanted to boost myself a little bit, so I spent $100 on buying the power saw and the gas rigged extractor. So if we go to what I bought, you'll see them. These are the first thing that I bought. I bought this for $54 and this for $60. It's like $120 rounded up investment. And if you go on them now, the power saw is selling for $131, just quite the increase, and this one is selling for $140. So yeah, that's pretty fucking good. And then I use these to mine some TLM, right? I exchanged the TLM for wax. Did I always get fucked up on that word? And I used it, on the marketplace to buy more standard drills, because I kept hearing that, for some reason you get more NFTs with this. And I bought 4 because I knew the price was gonna go up, because the game, all the prices are going up and the game is getting more and more popular. So I bought 4 from $7 to $8 each, and now they are selling for 17. So again, more than double the price, which is cool. And then I bought some fighters and some weapons, like very basic ones, because I'm assuming once the Thunderdome opens, that's gonna go up as well. And what else? Right. So to get this, to use 3 standard drills, because you can only use one if you did put it from the user interface. Like if you want to change it, you can only put it one time and it's going to show an X times 4, right? So if you want to have it like this, you have to go to, again, to the blocks.io. Instead of your account, you go to m.federation. And from here, you go to contract, you go to actions, you go to set bag, you put in here your account, which is, your wax account. And then you go to your Atomic Hub again, to the inventory, you pick which tools you want to use. So it's 3 drills, right? So I would take this one, and this one, starting with this one. So I click on it and you take this number, right? And then you go here, you have your account here, and you do the double square thingy. You add a quote. You paste in the number here and the quote, comma, open quote again. For the second item, quote, comma, quote again, and the quote closed. And this is how the code should look like with the 3 codes for your items that you want to use. And then you just click submit transaction and it should upgrade into your account. And you'll have it like this. And again, for some reason, sandy coastlines are the best for NFTs because they have a pretty good NFT chance compared to the charge time multiplier, which is only 1.5. So you'll get to mine a lot of the times in, like, I can mine every 6 minutes, so like 10 times an hour, which is, 10 chances of getting an NFT. And I think, well, one of the other ways that people are doing, and I might try as well, is they have the atomic gloves, I think they're called, which, again, very weird because they have 0 NFT luck. And, okay, so no listings, yeah. Okay, marketplace. So yeah, they have 0 NFT luck, but people use only 1 glove and on the sandy shores. And apparently that works. And they just get NFTs. I'm guessing because you don't have to wait a lot. And you can just keep mining every 3 minutes. And one more thing, I think that still works, is just using 1 drill on the coastline. And that also works. So where are the gloves? Okay, so no gloves, really. Oh, here we go. Exo gloves. Right? So they have 0 NFT luck for some reason. But they're the best to mine NFTs, maybe. So this as well was $1, $2, and now it's selling for $33. Yep. So I don't know what's going on with the RNG and shit, but yeah, I can mine again. So let's go for it. I'm gonna have to prove again that I'm not a fucking robot every time. Also, I'm using the Brave browser. It seems to be working, the best out of all of them, because Chrome is kind of buggy and shit. Unless it's gonna bug out on me right now. Live. Go on then. Okay, so finally, I have to claim it. Yes, I'm not a robot. I know what a motorcycle is. Apparently I don't. I know what traffic lights are. Okay. Easy, not robot. So again, 0.23. I'm pretty sure that is correct because, seems like the right amount, but let's see if I did get an NFT. So I just refresh it and I did not get an NFT. And I think I got 2.3 and this is 2.4. Yeah, so it's kind of off, not by a lot. Nowadays, it's much less buggy, except the part today where everyone got logged out and couldn't log back in. Yeah, that was pretty fucked up. All right, well, other than that, I don't have anything else to talk about. Hopefully the microphone isn't muted this time because I'll shoot myself in the head. So if you want to see more of my fucking updates and my squeaky voice talking for some fucking reason, and how my progress is going, hey man, hey, yo, go ahead and subscribe, motherfucker.